Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the privacy protection section, then special permissions, and then install unknown apps. Here you can select an app for which you want to grant access to install from unknown sources. It could be, for example, Chrome, and you just tap here allow from this source. Then you have to get to know with all this information and tap accept. And now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.